Welcome to Molyneux. For Wolverhampton Wanderers and Nottingham Forest, Wolves though can point to some improved performances under new head coach Rob Edwards, while for Sean Dyche there is definite tangible evidence to back up his case. 2 wins indeed in the last 3 in the Premier League. So into the West Midlands night they come. West meets East.
Hi lads. Lads, okay.
And in terms of what you're expecting from Wolves, they will win a game one day. Are you hoping this isn't the day? And what sort of challenge do you think they'll offer?
Yeah, I hope so.
Expect the challenge of a Premier League game. You know, no one gets to give me in the Premier League. Everyone deserves the right to be in there. Any team can play well in the Premier League and win a game. So we're on about the bit when, what if it's a quiet game? Can you get results out of that? And we so nearly would have got something out of the game yesterday. Wolves are a good side, there's no two ways about that, so they wouldn't be in the Premier League. They've had a really tough start of the season, that's quite obvious. But we have to be right. We have to be right to start the game well and find that consistency throughout performance. So I think that's the next challenge when we go against Wolves. There is a reason why they haven't won yet this season, you know, so we've got to make sure that we're aware of that. You know, because we've certainly, I think, looking at us and the way we've been performing, have changed that feeling to win games, and I think I've been very pleased with that. So we go there certainly with the clear-mindedness and the clarity to go and deliver a performance that can win.
Mate, superb. Allez, well done. Yes. Super. Let's go. Sam, well done. Ryan, well done. Get in. Well done. Brilliant. Well done. My guy. Ryan.
Vamos, caralho.
Hey, vamos.
Yes, Igor.
Yes, hey, super. Brilliant. Well done.
Boys made me set really easy, and obviously just God's timing really. Just got to be patient and be ready for when your time's ready.
Well done. Well done. Well done.
Come on.